In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Spotify error offline mode. If Spotify keeps telling you it's offline, even when you think you're connected, don't worry. We'll go through a simple sequence to bring it back online quickly and safely. This issue usually comes down to a lost internet connection, airplane mode being enabled, offline mode, switched on inside Spotify, or a small app glitch caused by cached files. Start by confirming your internet connection. Open the Spotify app, then make sure your device is actually online either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. If airplane mode is turned on, switch it off. Give the app a few seconds after you reconnect. Spotify will typically detect the network and move back online by itself. You'll know it's working if your home screen refreshes and album art starts loading. Next, check that offline mode inside Spotify isn't enabled. Open Spotify, go to Settings, the gear icon, and look for offline mode. If it's on, turn it off. This setting is designed for listening to downloads without using data, but it can keep the app stuck offline if you forget it's enabled. After you toggle it off, return to the main screen and see if your playlists and recommendations update. If you're still stuck, clear the app cache. On your phone, open Settings, find apps, select Spotify, then go to Storage and Cache and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that can confuse the app and force it to think it's offline. It doesn't affect your account. Reopen Spotify and check whether it reconnects. If the problem persists, restart your device. Press and hold the power button, choose restart, and after your phone boots up, open Spotify again. A fresh start clears background hiccups that might interfere with connectivity. As a final step, reinstall Spotify if needed. Uninstall the app from your device, then download a clean copy from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Open it and sign back into your account. Reinstalling replaces corrupted files and resets app behavior, which often resolves stubborn offline errors. Here's a quick tip. If you rely on downloaded songs, Spotify may remain in offline mode until it senses a steady connection. Once your Wi-Fi or data is stable, the app should automatically switch back to online. After following these steps, Spotify should reconnect and stream music normally. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Spotify tips and tutorials.